Do you ever feel like you're behind in the money game? Like no matter what you do, you're always a step behind where you think you should be? Like everyone else has it figured out, and you're stuck playing catch-up? It's easy to feel this way when you're constantly bombarded with images of success. Society often pushes this narrative that if you haven't made it by 30, you're somehow out of luck. This pressure can be overwhelming and disheartening. But here's the truth. It's a complete myth. The idea that success has a deadline is simply not true. Studies show that a significant portion of wealth is actually accumulated after the age of 30. Many people find their financial footing later in life. Think about it. You've spent your 20s learning, growing, maybe making some mistakes. We've all been there. These experiences are invaluable. Now armed with experience and a clearer vision, you're primed to make real financial progress. Your 30s can be a time of significant growth and achievement. Don't let anyone tell you that your financial journey has an expiration date. It doesn't. You have the power to redefine your path. You have the power to change your financial story, no matter what your age. Every step you take now can lead to a brighter financial future. It's time to embrace the 30 factor and rewrite the rules of wealth building. Your journey is unique, and it's never too late to start. Life after 30 is a whole new ballgame. It's a time when many of us start to feel more settled and confident in our own skin. You're more established in your career. You have a better understanding of yourself and your goals, and you start to see the bigger picture of what you want your life to look like. You're ready to take control of your future. This includes your financial future, which is more important now than ever. Forget the pressure of society's timeline. This is your chance to define what success means to you. It's about setting your own pace and priorities. Maybe it's buying your dream home, starting your own business, or retiring early. The possibilities are endless when you take charge. Whatever your vision, financial freedom is the key to unlocking it. It's about having the resources to make your dreams a reality. This isn't about chasing quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about making thoughtful, informed decisions. It's about building a solid foundation for lasting wealth. This means planning, saving, and investing wisely. It's about making smart choices today that will pay off exponentially in the years to come. The effort you put in now will set you up for a prosperous future. Are you ready to break free from the financial constraints holding you back? It's time to take that leap. Are you ready to step into your power and create the life you deserve? The journey begins with your commitment. It all starts with a single step. Take that step today and watch your financial future unfold. We're bombarded with images of young entrepreneurs striking it rich, celebrities flaunting their wealth, and social media influencers living seemingly perfect lives. It's easy to get caught up in the comparison game and feel like we're falling behind. But here's the thing. Those images rarely reflect reality. They're carefully curated snapshots designed to sell a lifestyle. Don't fall into the trap of comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel. Real wealth building takes time, discipline, and a whole lot of grit. It's about delayed gratification, making smart investments, and building a solid financial foundation. It's not about overnight success, but rather about consistent effort over time. Remember, your journey's unique. Don't let society's timeline dictate your financial success. Focus on your own goals, your own pace, and your own definition of what it means to be truly wealthy. Section 4. Late Bloomers. Stories of Financial Success. After 30. Let's talk about some real-life examples of individuals who defied the odds and achieved financial success later in life. These stories are not just about making money, they are about resilience, determination, and the power of never giving up on your dreams. Their stories are proof that it's never too late to turn your financial situation around. Many of these individuals faced significant challenges and setbacks, but they didn't let those obstacles stop them. Take, for instance, the founder of a successful tech company who didn't launch his billion-dollar idea until his late 30s. He spent years learning, experimenting, and refining his vision before finally hitting it big. Or the single mom who went from struggling to make ends meet to building a thriving real estate empire in her 40s. She balanced raising her children with studying the market, making smart investments, and working tirelessly to achieve her goals. These individuals didn't let age define their potential. Instead, they used their life experiences to their advantage, leveraging their knowledge and skills to create successful ventures. They embraced the challenges, learned from their mistakes, and persevered until they achieved their goals. Their journeys were filled with ups and downs, but their persistence paid off in the end. Their stories are not just inspiring, they're a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and a relentless belief in oneself. They show that with the right mindset and effort, financial success is attainable at any age. Remember, your age is not a barrier to success. It's an asset. The experiences and lessons you've gathered over the years can be your greatest tools in achieving your financial dreams. You have the experience, the knowledge, and the wisdom to make sound financial decisions and create a future you're proud of. So, embrace your journey, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. Your success story is waiting to be written. Section 5. It's never too late. Debunking the Age Myth. The myth that you need to be young to get rich is just that, a myth. In fact, there are distinct advantages to building wealth later in life. You've had more time to develop valuable skills, gain experience in the workforce, and learn from your financial mistakes. You're also more likely to have a clearer understanding of your values, priorities, and long-term goals. This clarity is essential for making sound financial decisions that align with your vision for the future. Don't buy into the limiting belief that your best financial years are behind you. The truth is, your most successful chapter is just beginning. Embrace the opportunities that lie ahead and rewrite your financial narrative. Section 6. The Power of Now. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. You've heard the stories, you've debunked the myths, and now it's time to take action. Your journey to financial freedom starts today, right now, with the decisions you make and the actions you take. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Create a budget, track your spending, and identify areas where you can cut back. Set realistic financial goals and develop a plan to achieve them. Remember, consistency is key. Small, consistent actions over time will yield incredible results. Don't underestimate the power of compounding. Every dollar you save, every investment you make, is a brick in the foundation of your financial future. Section 7. Join the conversation. Share your story, inspire others. This isn't just about you. Your story has the power to inspire others who may be feeling stuck, discouraged, or unsure about their own financial futures. Share your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs. Let's break the stigma surrounding age and wealth building. Let's create a community of support and encouragement, where everyone feels empowered to achieve their financial dreams, no matter their age or background. What steps are you taking to build wealth after 30? What advice would you give to your younger self about money? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a meaningful conversation.